Here's a simple money making idea, which is I expect the second half of this year to be a better year for earnings, for growth, and for economy. So if the second half will be better than the first half, where should you invest? Go for banks. Banks are always a proxy to the economy. And the way to look at banks is always look at two things: growth and NPAs. While growth is down, it is expected to come back. I think NPAs are not a problem for the banking sector. Little bit of drop has happened in consumer and MFIs, but I think that is a short time problem, which is not a long term trend. So I don't think there is a problem with the banks and their balance sheet. Second, banks are now looking attractive because earnings will come back and valuations are cheap. There is no other sector in the Indian market where earnings are expected to come back and valuations are cheap. So it's a combination of earnings and valuations. And third, भाई FIs ने बहुत बेचा है. They own a lot of banks and I expect that वो बेच के थक गए हैं. So in the second half, if FI selling reduces, which I'm confident it will, I think banks automatically will become the go-to sector. And technically also in this market fall, banks are outperforming. Go for large banks. It's a simple money making idea. It is less volatile and it is likely to outperform.